Do these really work? I don't know. Let's go find out. In today's video, we are going to be trying out the eyelid sticker tapes. These stickers are supposedly designed to help with droopy, hooded eyelids. As someone who's always had very hooded eyes, I qualify for these tapes. So I wanted to check them out and see if they actually work. Unfortunately, these sticker tapes do not bring instructions. So I'm kind of just winging it here. I figure if I mess with it long enough, I'll figure out how it works. Clearly, I'm not doing too good. The problem is you can see it. So, yeah, the eye looks more round a little bit, but then you could see that thing. So let me try to do this again. Okay, trust me when I tell you these are not easy to apply. First of all, I don't even know what I'm doing. Second, I'm not even sure if I'm putting it in the right place. I don't even really know where the placement is. Okay, wait a minute. I think I'm starting to get it. All right, I'm committed to this. I'm going to keep going. I'm not going to get frustrated. This is going to work. All right, you tell me, did it work? Does it look better? I guess there is a difference. I mean, it's not a crazy difference where you're like, whoa, one eye is like super open and the other one's like, however, there is a little bit of a difference. Okay, so I even feel like this eyebrow is lifted higher. This eyebrow is I'm usually like this. So that's kind of interesting. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the second one. I'm gonna add the second one. Let's see what happens. I think maybe you need to trim these. So this size might be a little bit too big. You might need to trim it and actually so it fits better. And also I've seen some on TikTok that melt, like you wet them, you put them in place and they kind of like melt in place. They dissolve and then you let it dry and then I guess you can apply makeup after. One thing I did right now is I actually put the makeup before. I had eyeshadow on. I put eyeshadows on first. I didn't do the eyeshadow after because I just didn't know if it would stand out more or I don't know. I just did it like this. So, but anyways, let's try the other eye. Round 2, and the frustration continues. It's stuck on the damn tweezer. So, geez, I can't see good. Lift it up. I'm literally trying to convince myself that this was a good idea. Okay. Holy cow. All right, this is not easy. I don't want it to be laying on there. All right, the first time was not too bad. This time's jacked. All right, yeah. Maybe instead of doing the lid up, pull the lid down. All right, pull the lid down. Let's see. I think mine's not sticking good because I have eyeshadow on. Let's try this again. Okay. Thing is, it sticks onto the tweezer. Okay, I think I'm getting it. I think I got it. All right, and we're gonna tap it in. Okay, I'm gonna finish off with the second one. I don't know if this is working. I seriously don't know if this is working. It's kind of working, but let me tell you, it takes a minute to do this. At least, well, you know, it is my first time. The first time everything's always more complicated. Making excuses. You got to get that good stick on there. I have makeup on, so as soon as it touches the eyeshadow, that's it. Like it loses the stick. It can only stick on there once. That's it. It sticks on once and that's it. I seriously now really want to try the dissolving ones. Clearly, I haven't had enough torture. Okay, so that one's placement is a little better than this one. If you see, this one's placement is a little better. But, I mean, If you look down, I'm sure people can see this. So I'm wondering what the dissolvable ones look like. That's probably better. At least it appears to be better. I got these for super cheap on Temu, so it's not a big deal. But I mean, they don't feel uncomfortable. Like I barely can even tell it's there. I have to really like try to stretch my eyes to even feel that I'm wearing it. Doesn't feel uncomfortable at all. So that part's good. It doesn't feel sticky. Like I remember years ago, my mom tried this and I had applied it on her. I put them on her and they were sticky on both sides. It was like a double-sided tape. So when she would open, it would like stick to the lid on the bottom, stick to the bottom, stick to the top. And it was like, so this is definitely a better design that it's only sticky on one side. However, I think it's still, even though they've tried to make it, you know, like a flesh tone or whatever, it's still visible. It's still kind of visible. So,
however, I do have to say that I wore these out and nobody noticed I had them on. Nobody mentioned anything. I asked my husband, I said, do you see anything different? Do you see anything different? He couldn't even see it. And I kept saying, look at my eyes. And he didn't know what I was pointing at. So they were pretty camouflage.
I got to try those dissolvable ones and put them on here as well. Share them with you guys. So, but what do you think? I think they do slightly do something. I don't think, like I said before, that it's like, whoa, did you get an eye lift? You know, like I don't think it's like that. But I think it does kind of do something. It gives you a little lift. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my makeup on and see what the end result is. I want to show you that I am doing my liquid eyeliner and it goes on there perfectly. You can't even tell that there's anything underneath. So it's not like it looks weird when you are painting on top of when you're painting on the liquid eyeliner. It looks perfect. Like you can't tell. You can't tell. And I'm looking in a magnified glass. I'm sorry, I'm looking in a magnified mirror. So I can see up close that it goes on there perfectly. You can't even see anything strange. All right, let's continue. Okay, so I'm going to try to put some eyeshadow on top of the strip and see if it looks any different. Right now, as you can see, I have no eyeshadow on top of the strip. I had the eyeshadow on before I actually put them on. But I'm going to put a little eyeshadow on top and see if it looks different, or I don't know. Or maybe just to see if it covers it. It doesn't really look like the eyeshadow is adhering to it. I don't know. I don't see a difference with that. That part, I don't really see anything different.
All right, so now I'm really trying to complete this look.
All right, so I just want to see if once you put mascara, it actually kind of, you know, when your lashes go up, it kind of covers somehow. I don't know. I'm going to try it with just mascara. I'll show you what that looks like. And then I'm going to put some false eyelashes just to see if it maybe covers a little bit more. I don't know, but we'll see. Quick tip, and I've seen my cousin do this many times. She would put her mascara on and then hold her eyelashes up like this in place and just count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know, I tried to leave it for like 10 seconds and hold it in place. So the eyelashes actually dry like this. And it gives you that curl. So this is just a quick little tip that my cousin showed me. I don't even know if she showed me. I just seen her do it so many times that I kind of caught on. But yes, so this makes your eyelashes look a little curlier. All right, let's keep on. Okay, what do you think? Here we are. The lashes are on, if you can see that. And this is just in like real time, you know, no filter, no nothing. This is how it is. And I don't know, you tell me. Do you think it looks different? I think it looks slightly different. I'm going to do a before and after picture and we can compare. And mostly when I smile, usually when I smile, like the hoods really kick in and I look very, very hooded. I look like those eyes are like really shrunk and very, very hooded. So I think when I smile, I can kind of see the difference, definitely. So I'll do a before and after and then you let me know.
All right, so there you have it, guys. This is the before and the after. What do you think? Do you see the difference? I'm gonna be honest, I definitely see the difference. That picture on the left, the before picture, is only 4 weeks old. So it's not like this was taken years and years ago. And actually, that picture, I weighed less than I did on the picture on the right, on the after picture. So it's not even weight either. There's definitely a difference to me. Now, would I use this product every day on a daily basis? No. I think you definitely no. However, would I use it to go out? Yeah, I'd probably use it to go out. I think that once I get the rhythm of actually how to use it, it'd probably get a lot easier and more manageable. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some good information out of it. And if you like what you see here, please be sure to like, subscribe, and maybe even comment. Thanks for watching, and see you at the next video. Bye-bye.